The Westpac Everyday Account stands out as one of the most practical options for Australians seeking flexibility, accessibility, and low-cost banking. Designed to make daily transactions simple, this account allows customers to manage their money efficiently while avoiding unnecessary fees. One of its most attractive features is the minimal monthly account fees. The standard Westpac Everyday Account carries a fee of $5 per month, but with certain conditions, including depositing at least $2,000 per month, the fee can be waived entirely, making it an appealing option for regular earners. With the Westpac Everyday Account, customers enjoy unlimited electronic transactions, including online transfers, BPAY payments, and direct debits, without additional charges. Access to over 4,000 Westpac ATMs across Australia, as well as a broad network of international ATMs, ensures convenience for both local and overseas spending. The account comes with a debit MasterCard, allowing seamless purchases online and in-store, while also supporting contactless payments for quick transactions. Digital banking features make the Westpac Everyday Account highly user-friendly. The Westpac app provides real-time balance tracking, instant notifications, and the ability to schedule payments in advance. Customers can also set up budgeting alerts, helping to manage spending and maintain financial control. Additionally, the account integrates with Westpac's broader banking ecosystem. Linking the Everyday Account with a Westpac term deposit, savings account, or home loan allows customers to optimize their financial planning and take advantage of preferential interest rates. Overall, the Westpac Everyday Account combines affordability, convenience, and strong digital support. With low fees, easy access to cash, and comprehensive online management tools, it suits anyone looking for a reliable account to handle daily finances efficiently. Whether paying bills, shopping online, or saving for the future, this account provides practical solutions with transparency and simplicity.